Hi, Ade Owolabi here again. Okay, so I was on social media the other day and I heard one of these amazing men that I respect so much, Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo, and he was talking, I believe, at a conference or something, and he was talking to people. Sometimes women think when God tells them to honor their husband, it's because God is in favor of the men against the women, or when He tells the men, love your wife, it's as though God is favoring the women against the men. But I like the perspective he shared. And this is the idea. I think this will help somebody, right? So, as a woman in marriage or a woman preparing for marriage, you need to understand that honoring and respecting your husband is the most effective way in which you can motivate him to be the man. Do you get that? And as a man, the most effective way to motivate your wife to be the best version of herself, to be the best for you, is by loving her. So you see, God is working things out for your good. When He tells the woman to honor her husband, it's because He's working in her favor. When He tells the man to love his wife, it's because He is working in his favor. God is not working against the man, neither is He working against the woman. God is for the marriage and not against any gender. So you must understand that wisdom here is you accepting responsibility to live in obedience to God and in alignment with His will in order to make your outcomes better. Do you feel me? So you see, you want to make your marriage work. Your marriage is in a pretty difficult place right now. Do the basic. What are the basics? Love your wife as the man. Honor your husband as the woman. Those are the basics. You can never graduate from the basics. There is no promotion you will ever get in your life that will make you way ahead of the basics. Come back to the basics and do what you need to do and see what happens for you in that relationship. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be easy. I'm not saying it's going to be easy peasy. It's going to be a lot of work because your brain has been conditioned to do transactional living, right? Do this for me and I do that for you. Scratch my back and I scratch your back, right? That's what you were conditioned to believe. But trust me, that is not going to work for you, especially in marriage. You have to be willing to scratch and scratch and scratch your partner's back without expecting anything in return, and then see what happens eventually. Let me tell you what's happening in your spouse's brain or mind. Whenever you come to do something good for him or her, he or she is wondering, what's he up to? What's he up to? You apologize. You necessarily do not apologize in the past, but now you're apologizing for errors, and your spouse is wondering, where's that coming from? What's she up to, right? Because your spouse needs to know or see your genuineness before he or she responds, right? So you must be consistent enough in this practice for you to begin to see the outcome that you desire or hope for. Do you feel me, right? So I wrap up by saying, when you love your wife, you motivate your wife to do better. When you honor and respect your husband, you motivate your husband to do better. Do you want a better marriage? What part are you playing in getting better? Thank you for listening. Think on these things. Have a great day. See you again soon. Bye.